Hi everyone, welcome back. So far we have covered user-based and role-based security groups in Workday. Today let's talk about something a little more advanced, the intersection security group. This is used when you want to give access only two conditions are met at the same time. Let's see what is an intersection security group. An intersection security group is a group that grants security access only to users who belong to two different security groups simultaneously. Think of it as the overlap between two groups, just like the middle part of a Venn diagram. For example, a finance role gives access to all finance data. A US location group gives access to US employees. An intersection group is finance and US location, which allows access only to US payroll data, not global payroll data. Why we use intersection security groups? To enforce fine-grained access control ensures that access is restricted to a specific subset of people, avoids giving too much access when broad groups are used. Let's take a scenario. You want payroll admins in the US to process payroll for US workers, but you don't want them accessing payroll data for Canada for the UK. So solution is create an intersection group, payroll admin role plus US location, so that the Canada location won't get access. So let's understand this simple diagram. This is one's role. This is finance role. This is US location. This is intersection security group. Intersection axis when both, let's write it down. Intersection equal to axis only when both conditions are true. So here you can see that finance role is one group, US location is another. The overlap between the two lines, between the two groups, which is intersection security group, only users who belong to both groups get access to the US payroll domain. Let's see what are the interview questions. What is an intersection security group in Workday? It's a group that grants access only to users who are members of two different security groups at the same time. Why would you use an intersection security group? To provide more specific access, like giving payroll admins in the US access only to US payroll data, not global data. Can an intersection group exist without the other group? No. It's always depends on the two source groups. If either of the groups is missing, the intersection group has no members in it. How is an intersection group different from an aggregation group? Intersection is access when both conditions are true. Aggregation is combines Aggregation combines multiple groups into one, giving broader access. What happens if a user leaves one of the source groups? They automatically lose membership in the intersection group because both conditions must be satisfied. To summarize, intersection groups are about narrowing access. They make sure only users who belong to two specific groups get access. That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, we will explore different workday topic. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more workday and other content. Thank you.